Hey guys, it's Ian from BMW of Westlake. I'm one of the product geniuses here. I'm sitting currently in a 2022 M850i, and this video I'm going to detail how to use the remote 3D camera view on your My BMW app. Now, first things first, you want to make sure that you do in fact have this feature. It's included in the driver's assistance package. It's going to be called Surround View Camera with 3D View. So you want to verify that on your vehicle spec sheet. And then I will show you, proceeding forward, how to activate and use this feature. So essentially, this really is a cool feature to have. Basically, what happens is you can pull up a 3D render of your car with imaging around your vehicle. So if you go on a trip and you're unsure about what you left around the car, or if you just want that peace of mind to check on your vehicle when you're out of town, you can definitely use this feature from the app. One other important thing that you're going to want to make sure is set in the car before you activate the remote 3D view on the My BMW app is that all your services under data privacy are checked and marked on. So to ensure that, you have to select the car menu, scroll down to settings, general settings, and scroll down to data privacy, and then make sure that all services including analysis is checked. Sometimes this isn't initially activated in the car, so it won't allow you to pull those camera images to create the 3D render. So make sure that this is activated. And then after that, go down to your apps page, hit the option button on your xDrive controller, and then update your apps and services. This will ensure that new setting is saved in the vehicle. So now when you go to the My BMW app, you'll be able to create that 3D render and look around your vehicle. You're going to open up the My BMW app, then click the remote camera view icon. And you're going to click update view and then confirm at the bottom. So now the vehicle is in the process of taking pictures using the surround view cameras. Once this process is complete, you'll get a nice 3D image of your car that you can rotate around with the app to check the surround view camera imaging. I sped this process up. It usually takes about a couple minutes, but for the sake of the video, I just wanted to give you guys a clear picture of what this will look like. Once you get that 3D image up, as you can see, you can rotate around that 3D model. We got the dealership in front of us, vehicles to the right or left. You can use this feature no matter where your car is parked. If you guys have any comments or questions about this process or other features on the car, feel free to let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video.